Kailangan ba mag-produce o gumawa ng sariling mga kanta para tawagin kang isang DJ? These days, yung mga sikat na DJs, meron silang sariling mga original songs, di ba? Katulad ni John Summit, o kaya ni Skrillex, si Fred again, or you can even go back to like the EDM era, Steve Aoki, Zed, Laid Back Luke, Swedish House Mafia, at iba pa. But you might be surprised to know that before the 2000s, sabihin natin nung mga 90s or 80s or even nung 70s, it was actually kind of rare for a DJ to produce his or her own music. Of course, maraming legendary DJs who made their own music. Sina Armand Van Helden, Frankie Knuckles, Roger Sanchez, Todd Terry. You can even go the trance route. Paul Van Dyke, Ferry Corsten, napakarami, di ba? Tiesto. But bear in mind that these are all superstar DJs o mga sikat na DJs talaga to of their era and they're still well known and loved today, di ba? But that doesn't mean na lahat ng DJs ganun. In fact, sobrang daming DJs who don't play their own music, meaning original songs nila. They don't play their own remixes. They don't know how to make edits. But what they do is they are really good at curating, making vibes out of an entire DJ set, playlisting, digging for songs, digging for old tracks and putting them in their DJ sets. Basically, we have to remember that DJing, again, is about sharing music with people. And it's not a requirement for you to actually share music that you've made. In the olden days, DJs played music made by other people, by other producers, by other bands, by other artists, singers, and songwriters. Yung DJ lang, yung medium na nagpapatugtog ng mga kanta na to, whether that is in a radio station or in a club. So fast forward ulit tayo, taong 2026. Do you need to make your own music to be called a DJ? No, of course not. You just play songs, whether those songs are made by you or made by someone else. Now, do you need to make your own songs to become a successful, world-known, world-famous, online-famous DJ? That's an entirely different discussion altogether. Yes, it might be easier to build a DJ brand and to get your name out there kung gumagawa ka ng sarili mong mga kanta, pati sarili mong mga remixes. I do that too. But at the same time, hindi siya requirement, I don't think. Especially now na napakaraming ways to make music. Nandyan yung mga AI music makers, maraming DAW. There's so many ways to make music. So, I think at some point, we'll get to a stage where all DJs can practically just make their own songs. And there will be some DJs who will be like, I don't want to do that. I just want to curate music from other artists or other producers, other DJs. And I think that's totally fine. So at the end of the day, you have to do what you want to do and what fits you as a DJ and your personality and your ambition as a DJ.